For any human relationship to happen, people must like us. We have heard that the first impression happens in the first few seconds. Is it possible then to make a good impression in less than 5 minutes? Hi, welcome to a Sales Breakthrough with AngelaOh. If you're new to this channel and are interested to find out how to increase your sales, do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. To create a good impression is not difficult. The good news is what I'm going to share with you is something you already have within you. It's about using the 5 sense organs: our eyes, ears, mouth, nose, and hands. As it's a lot to cover, I will share with you over 5 sessions so that you can truly appreciate and apply each point. Let me start by talking about our ears. We all know that we have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so use our ears to the fullest. It's important to be interested in the other party. We all love to talk about ourselves. The more airtime you give to the other party, the more you're going to be likable. Have you ever heard someone telling you, "I have enjoyed our conversation, thank you so much," but in reality, you didn't do anything except to listen? It's about being present and patient enough to listen that people appreciate. But we don't just use our 2 ears. What if I tell you there's such a thing called the 3rd ear? The 3rd ear is employed when we listen beyond what is being said. In fact, most of the time, the unspoken is more crucial than what is being said. We use our 3rd ear to look for the implication behind the spoken word. For instance, when we step into a shop and a sales promoter were to greet us, "Hi, how can I help you?" Usually our response would be, "Oh, I'm just looking around." What we are actually saying is, "Don't pressure me, just give me some time to find what I need." In a selling scenario, when customers say, "Let me think about it," do not take it literally, because customers could be saying that they have not seen any value and they do not want to appear rude to turn you down straight away. Using our 3rd ear is putting ourselves in the other person's position and showing empathy. When you are able to do that, people will be drawn to you because they feel understood. In my next video, I will be touching on using another of our sense organ to create a good impression and build trust. I love to share my proven sales tips and techniques. So if you have anything regarding sales that you would like to learn, let me know by typing in the comments below. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. Remember to turn on your notifications so that you can get the latest updates.